Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. I am so freaking pumped. I have in front of me, in my hands, the Trendmood Box volume number 7. Now this is the first time I am doing a Trendmood unboxing on my channel, but for me personally, this is the second volume I was able to snag. So I am really excited. There are so many bomb-ass products in this box, which obviously is what drew me in. So we're gonna unbox it together. I'm gonna go over the value of each product, and I'm going to let you know if these boxes are worth the $65 price tag. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into it and let's see what is inside this beautiful purple box. Now, if you are not familiar, the Trendmood Box, I believe, comes out about once a month, and there's always a different theme. Like, for example, this month has kind of like a fall theme. I know there was a TATI box, so there's always some sort of theme with the box. Now, this is not a monthly subscription. It does sell out pretty quickly. So what she'll do is she'll kind of announce it, she'll kind of tease some products, and then she will give you a heads up on the day that this is going to launch. So if you are interested in this, I highly suggest following the Trendmood Box Instagram page. That's where mostly all of the teasers are, launch dates, and you can even sign up for emails that will let you in on the early access, because I'll tell you, I do believe that pretty much every single box that has been launched thus far has pretty much sold out during that early release or that early access. So check that out if you're interested. So again, here's what the box looks like. I did cut the tape on it. Now, obviously, we all know typically what is in the box. Everybody gets pretty much the same thing. The purpose for my video is to just, again, let you guys know what I think about the products that are in it. And being that this is my second box, to let you know if it is worth spending your coin on, looking out for these and actually picking one up. This is really cute because, again, this month's theme is fall, and there are all these cute little fall leaves on the inside of my package, which I think is absolutely adorable. Now, the first item that I see right away, and this is the main item that really sparked my interest in this box, this is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. This is for deep hydration and glow. So here's what the packaging looks like. I am a huge fan of Glow Recipe. Again, when I saw that this was going to be in this box, I believe it was like one of the first spoilers. I was pretty much sold. If I wasn't going to purchase this box, I was going to purchase this item separately. So I am really excited. And do I have a scissors anywhere near, because it is sealed? Aha, I do. So these are all full-size products. If you haven't tried out Glow Recipe, I highly suggest it. One of my favorite items from them is their Banana Souffle Moisturizer. That stuff is amazing, so good. And all of their packaging is glass, which I love. So here's what the actual product looks like. How cute is this? I have been on the lookout for a good hyaluronic acid serum, so I'm really excited about this one. It does have a pump. I do want to get an idea of the texture here, what that looks like. I hope you guys can kind of see there. Rub it in. It does feel very lightweight. Now, if you picked up this box, I do have one tip for you for hyaluronic acid serum, even if you didn't get this box. Hyaluronic acid is attracted to water. So if you picked up this box and obviously you have this product in your hands, I highly suggest applying this to damp skin. You are going to have the most plump, glowing skin ever, because like I said, hyaluronic acid is drawn to water and it really works better that way. So just a little tip. Super excited for that. Let's go ahead and move on to the other item, which appears to be another skincare item. This is from Boscia. This is their Berry Blend Smoothing Facial with 28% acid complex. So we have another full-size skincare item. I used to use a lot of Boscia products. I used to love, I think it was like their Charcoal Deep Cleanse Face Wash and their cleansing oil I really used to love and use a lot. Funny, it has a seal on it that says remove before stocking. The second ingredient in this product is glycolic acid. So if you have very sensitive skin, I would proceed with this one with caution, but this is amazing, especially with wearing masks all the time. This is going to help resurface the skin. It's going to help get rid of some of the dead, dry skin buildup. It's going to help clear out your pores. It's just going to give you a nice, brighter, smoother, more even complexion. So I'm really excited about this. So there really isn't any added fragrance. Yeah, it says this is safe for all skin types. It is vegan, cruelty-free, preservative-free, no artificial colors or fragrances, and it is based on botanical science. It does come with a little scooper in the packaging as well. I don't want to tip it too much, but that's kind of what it looks like. If you guys can, oh, see, I have to be careful with that. This is a lot thinner texture than what I anticipated. So the packaging can be a little bit messy. Got a little excited there, a little overzealous. All right, moving on to the next item, we have something from Nude Sticks, which I love. Love Nude Sticks. Hilary Duff collabed with them. I think it was last fall, and they had a collaboration, and it was like the Daydreamer pack or something like that. I love those products, and there was a lip in that one, a lippy in that collection. Oh, chef's kiss. So good. This is one of their highlighters, or a skin brightening balm, they call it, in the shade Bubbly BB. So there's that. So it looks like it's just like the most perfect champagne shade. It says it gives you a soft metallic glow for hashtag glassy skin. Dab on the high points of the face for a dewy highlight. And there is a brush on the end as well that does come off if you need to clean it. Let's go ahead and do a swatch. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Very natural looking, but catches the light in just the most perfect way. Let's go ahead, dab a little bit on the skin. Beautiful. I love Nude Sticks. These products are so great too, that if you just want to have just like a natural, healthy glow, you're not looking to put on a lot of makeup, this is one of those products that is just so easy that you can just dab right onto the high points of the cheeks, blend out, and it's just going to look absolutely stunning. So this is something that can be used all over the face. You can use it on the body as well, but I'm really excited to see that in this box. The next item is another item from Nude Sticks. This is their lip glaze. Now this is supposed to be a moisturizing lip oil with a non-sticky shine that is infused with plumping peptides, hydrating shea, cocoa, and avocado butters in the perfect nude shades. So here's what that looks like. This is like the perfect fall color. This is shade number Nude 06. Has kind of like a pepperminty scent. I'm just going to pop it on because I do have another lip gloss on. It's kind of a similar shade, so I can just go ahead and pop this right on top of it. That does feel very, very nice, and it is a beautiful shade. Wow, look how glassy and shiny that is. There must be like a peppermint oil or something in it because I can definitely feel it. It's very cooling on the lips. But that is gorgeous, and it is not sticky at all. I really, really like this. Just sucks because we're wearing masks all the time. To me, it's just like so disappointing. So I'm like, there's really no point in like putting on lip product. I mean, obviously if you're going out to dinner with somebody, but this is gorgeous. It's just kind of disappointing. So I'm like, we're just wearing masks all the time. Girl, I want to be able to rock some awesome fall lip shades. Like, I just really do. I really do. This is really pretty. How excited is that? It feels so cooling and refreshing on the lips. Love that. All right. And then we have just a couple items left. We have something from Becca. This is one of their light gleam primer and topper liquid eyeshadow with a priming base. So here's what the packaging looks like. Now I know that this is, I don't believe that this is a new product. I think they've had other shades, but this is like perfect for fall. So I believe this is the Red Star shade. So you've got your priming base on one end. So it's like a matte shadow right here. And then you've got your glittery, shimmery topper right there on the other end. As always, we're gonna go ahead and do a swatch. So this is something that you could like sweep all over the lid and then put the topper right on top. So there's what that looks like. This is the matte shade right here, obviously. And then right below it, you've got the shimmery topper. Super pretty. I kind of want to put some of this shimmer just on my eyes right now. I do have a very neutral look going on, so why not just kind of brush that all over the lid. It's really pretty, and it fits actually quite nice with the eye look I have going on right now. I mean, obviously you can put this on top of anything. You don't have to put it on top of the base. That is super pretty, super reflective. I can't wait to play with this. I remember when this formula launched, I was super excited about it. I really wanted to pick up some of the shades, but I'm kind of glad I didn't because I got it in this box and I'm getting to try it at a much cheaper price point considering all of the other products that came in this box. And last but not least, we have something from Plouise. Now this is exciting because I have never tried anything from Plouise before. This is a lip combo. So there is a lipstick and a lip liner in here. This is a really cute packaging. It says passenger bad bitch, departing from your comfort zone to destination success, departure time, the time is now. That actually speaks to me a lot. If any of you watched my channel before, you know I want to get to New York like so badly, and obviously with the way things are going right now, it's really kind of a tough situation, but I don't know, it's kind of funny, like this kind of stuff just like really speaks to me and gets to me. I'm like an overly emotional person, if you didn't didn't know. But it says here, prepare for career takeoff. You're about to embark on a journey of success. I love this. I couldn't have got this at a more perfect time. But here is what the two items look like. The packaging is absolutely adorable. This lipstick feels very heavy, super luxurious. I love the packaging. And it is magnetic. Let's take a look at the lipstick shade. Oh, gorgeous. That is right up my alley for a nude lipstick. Like, so much yes. And let's take a look at the liner. That is a gorgeous combo. That is gonna look so pretty on so many different skin tones. So it does have like the darker liner, and then you've got the lighter lipstick shade. It does feel very creamy, so I don't see that it's necessarily a matte formula. But yeah. First class. The only trip you'll ever regret is the one you didn't take. Is the world trying to tell me something right now? It might be. I see what's going on here. But nonetheless, look at how beautiful all these swatches are. They all just kind of go together. So pretty. All of these items are so cohesive. It's like a major glow up. You've got the resurfacing skincare product from Boscia, which is awesome. But then you've got the hyaluronic acid serum from Glow Recipe. So those two will work beautifully hand in hand. Then you've got this gorgeous shadow from Becca, which is super glowy and stunning. We've got this plumping, super shiny, gorgeous gloss, and the highlight from Nude Sticks, which just is gonna look bomb with your new refreshed skin. Then we have the lip product from Plouise as well, which obviously, honestly, this lip liner and this gloss can go together. You could top the lipstick with this gloss, so that's pretty cohesive. This is an amazing box. So here are my thoughts on the Trendmood box. Overall, literally, I think every single volume that they have launched has definitely been worth it. I think it is so cool that you have the ability to purchase something like this for 65 bucks, get products that are brand new, super new launches. You can be one of the first people to have one of these items. It is really cool. I hope that one day this can become like a subscription type box. This would end all other boxes. The other volume I picked up, I believe, was volume 4 or 5, I want to say. It was like a skincare based one. Amazing value. I mean, for $65 to get all of these products, I mean, mind blown. This is so cool. This is so special and unique. I am so happy with the products in this box. I am so excited. I'm so excited to try everything. And I think that's kind of the nice thing about it too, that it isn't a subscription, is that you don't have to worry about skipping it or spending money that you don't want to spend on products that you're not excited about. The only downside is that you have to be on and like ready to purchase the box right when it launches, because like I said, they do sell out so quickly that you could potentially miss out on it. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've picked up a Trendmood box or if you've been following this. What volumes have you purchased? Have you been satisfied? I cannot wait to see what is in the next boxes. This is so cool. I love it. This needs to go on forever. It just makes me excited to see what is in the next boxes. If you enjoyed this content, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. That helps me so incredibly much, because it lets the YouTube algorithm know to suggest my content. And it also lets me know that you are enjoying the content that I am making. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go if you haven't already and you like what I'm doing here. Hit that bell button so that you get notifications when I upload videos just like this one. You guys know it. I love you so much. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.